I'm poor, whoever's sitting next to me is going to die with a steak ass. Whoever's sitting next to me. Everybody on this train, enjoy your life. Because you only have one life to live. We're all getting old. And we don't know when we're going to die, but you're going to die. We don't want to see kids wearing pants off their ass. According to the Bible, you want to see a kid wearing pants off his ass? Well, that's the devil. That's temptation. My temptation, be good before I die. That's a temptation. Be good. We're all getting old and gotta use the bathroom and die. And tell the kids, stay in school. You're not better than me. You gotta use the bathroom just like me. So what the fuck? And they love throwing black guys in jail because they're stupid and don't know how to hold a woman and respect your mother. But this ain't, we got something for you niggas. Stay on drugs, listen to the earphones, and never get rich. And they follow through. If a police officer tell you to stop, you stop. Or you want to fight the police officer. Well, your mother ain't shit, but she know how to suck dick and black. And got big thighs. I'm not going to jail for what? I could pay for a woman. Just stay in school and believe in God. Don't catch AIDS. You know, a lot of women give guys AIDS because they got fat thighs and a big ass. And never met. It's something. If I get drunk, at least I believe in God. The right thing. Nobody's better than nobody else. It's fun to be happy, whether you drink. And God bless all y'all. not better than me, even though I'm poor. I'm poor, got a stink ass, but according to God, you're not better than me. You're gonna die one day just like me. We don't know when. And tell the kids, stay in school and respect your mother and father and God. The liquor stores are not going to close down, neither Coke and all that shit. And we're all getting old. And tell the women that. Just kill another poor ass brother and a sister.